9:30 a.m. and we are doing a sightseeing in Srinagar. We're crossing the Dal Lake now. As you can see, there are boat houses lined by the sides. And we have a plan of doing a shikara ride, so you will get to see more of that. We will do a lot of other sightseeing in Srinagar as well, and then head towards Gulmarg. This is Pari Mahal, which is part of the Mughal Gardens. So you just come to see. It's quite on the top. It's a nice winding foresty way to the top. It's quite cold and foggy, as you can see. We're supposed to climb up to see what there is in the Pari Mahal. This is the view from the top. Apparently you can see the whole of Srinagar from here, but because of the fog, nothing is visible. We have come to our next stop now, which is called Nishat Bagh. This is another of the Mughal gardens. So there are quite a few here. There's Shalimar Bagh, there's Nishat Bagh, and before this we went to Pari Mahal. Then there is something called Chashme Shahi. But this one is opposite the Dal Lake, as you can see that in the distance. Unfortunately, because of winter, nothing is so green. And you will be able to imagine that in summers, this will be really beautiful. Up here, if you can see the silhouette of the mountains, these are not visible right now. This is our next destination. It is called Hari Parbat. It's a fort here. We came by car through a winding road, and then this place is entirely under CRPF, and there are multiple steps that we have to climb. If you can see, on the way I got a little friend who's coming with us. Finally, after climbing 352 steps, we've reached the top of the fort. It's kind of ruined. You can see the ruins here. And like I said earlier, the CRPF is guarding it. Our friend is still with us. Oh. Let's see what else we can see inside. This is the view from the top. This is another side. You can see the Chhote Paatshaahi Gurdwara there. we're on the Dal Lake now, on the Shikara. This is inside the Shikara. Apparently there are lots of, this is called a floating market. People are selling artifacts, handicrafts, etc. as part of the floating market. You will also get a lot of people selling fruits, flowers, handicrafts, and there are also a lot of people who will ask you to take photographs and they will sell you that. हाँ एग्जैक्टली ये मैडम को बेचिए ज़रा नहीं ये मैडम रिच लगती हैं इनको दीजिए मेरे पास हमारे पास ये सब पैसे नहीं है हाँ मूनस्टोन ले लो देखो कितना अच्छा है While Dal Lake is very pretty, but the concept of the floating market is kind of a put off. Because since the time we have been on board a Shikara, we've been getting multiple vendors from left and right trying to sell their wares, which we are either not interested in or it's actually spoiling the mood. Because when you come on the Dal Lake in this beauty, you'd rather, just keep quiet and enjoy the serenity of the Himalayas and the lake. But unfortunately, it's all too commercialized and people are constantly selling and, crying out their wares, and it's really, really a put off. This is also the floating market. There are lots of shops which are selling different Kashmiri stuff. But they're stationed in one place.
चला साथ हो गए देवर खाली साथ आएगा ये इजी उसका राउंड के हिसाब से पेट्रोल से चलता है
So this is called the Kashmiri Wazwan, the famous Kashmiri Wazwan. It is a full course mutton dish with, as you can see, there is seekh kebab, there are lots of other things, I don't know the names. This is goshtaba, this is rishta or risha or something. This is rogan josh. I am definitely not going to be able to finish the whole thing, but maybe pack and take. But it's an experience.